People are out here spending $2,000 on a Mac just to get that clean premium look. But what if I told you you could take your old low-end laptop, the one that barely runs Windows, install Linux, and make it look even more premium than macOS? Yeah, no upgrades, no expensive hardware, just a different operating system. So today, we're going to find out which Linux distros actually look more premium than macOS. And honestly, some of these might surprise you. Let's start with Deepin, because this one hits you instantly. The first time you see it, you'll probably think, wait, is this macOS?
Oh my god! Wow!
It has a smooth dock, clean animations, a beautiful control center. Everything feels polished and intentional. Now, why did they design it like this? Because Deepin's goal was simple. Make Linux feel premium and user-friendly, not technical. And honestly, they nailed it. Mac users always talk about the experience. Deepin quietly delivers that same experience, not just without sending you an invoice. Next up is Zorin OS, and this one feels like Windows. After it finally got its life together, you can actually switch layouts to look like Windows, Mac OS, or something completely custom. And the whole idea behind Zorin is this: make it easy for Windows users to switch, but also make it look better than Windows itself. Because let's be honest, Windows is powerful, but sometimes it feels like a mix of 2005 and 2025 at the same time. Settings here, control panel there. Zorin said, let's fix that and make it look clean. Now we have elementaryOS. And this one is very interesting because it clearly takes inspiration from macOS, but does it in a more minimal, calm way. You get super clean UI, consistent design, no unnecessary clutter, and everything feels peaceful. Why did they design it like this? Because their goal is to create a system that's simple, elegant, and distraction-free. Basically, macOS energy. Without macOS pricing, Apple says think different. elementaryOS says pay different. Now let's switch things up. XeroLinux is the complete opposite. This thing is not subtle at all. RGB effects, glass UI, heavy customization. It looks like your PC just said, oh, I want to look cool, and I want everyone to notice. Why does it exist like this? Because Linux gives you full freedom, and XeroLinux pushes that to the extreme. Mac is like clean, minimal, controlled. XeroLinux is like more glow, more style, more everything. Now we move to something more balanced, Feren OS. This one doesn't try too hard, but still looks really good. It focuses on clean layout, smooth usability, subtle customization. The idea here is simple. Make something familiar, but better. It's like that one person who doesn't show off, but still has one of the best setups in the room. No drama, just solid design. Now, this one is different. Extern OS, instead of improving existing designs, it tried to reinvent everything. New layout, new interaction style, almost like mixing desktop and mobile UI together. Why? Because the creators asked, what if we didn't follow Windows or Mac OS at all? It didn't become mainstream, but the idea itself was bold. Windows moves the taskbar and calls it a redesign. Extern OS tried to redesign the whole experience. And so let's be real for a second. Mac OS looks premium, but expensive. Windows, powerful, but sometimes messy. Linux right arrow free and starting to look really good. And that's where things get interesting. So now I want to ask you, which one looks the best to you? Would you actually switch to Linux? Or are you staying loyal to Mac or Windows? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video,
don't forget to like, subscribe,